Welcome to our channel. These are some of the logos I generated. Once all the logos have been generated, scroll down and click on Load More Previous Generations. Here you can find all your generations. Now select all the images you want to use as your logo and download them. Once you are done, head over to canva.com to make your logo. Here you can click on the logo template. This is a blank template, but you can search up the type of logo you want and use it. I am going to be using this template because I like the style of writing. Get rid of the image on the template because you are going to use the images that you generated. Click on Upload and upload all the images you want to use as your logo. Once they have been uploaded, drag them onto the canvas. Then right-click on the image and press Replace Background. Now edit the image by adding in text, such as your channel name. Now your logo is ready to be used. Once you are done, click on Share and download the image. I will now show you how to get rid of text on any images you generated on Leonardo. Drag in the image, replace the background, then click on Edit Photo. Then select the Magic Eraser tool. Use the brush to select the text that you would like to remove. Then use the text and adjust it. I am going to make it curve around the image, so I will click on Effects and select on the Curve option. And now you can download the image. You can also get rid of anything you do not like on the image by clicking on Edit Photo and erasing the object you do not want. In this case, it is the boat in the image. As you can see, it has erased the image. Now you can download your image and your logos have been generated. Great, now you have made a 3D logo for your channel. Enjoy using it, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this.